You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce once and for all correctly this name, the name of this square or plaza in Florence, Italy, Firenze, if you want to learn how to pronounce Florence in Italy and more vocabulary from Italian. Stay tuned, we've got tons more for you that is super interesting at the end of the video. Piazzale, that's how you say it in Italian. Piazzale, okay, you got double Z, double Z, it's pronounced like Z, okay, just like pizza. It's not a Z sound. Because you have double Z, you have to stress on this. Piazzale Michelangelo, that's how you say Michelangelo in Italian. So, correct Italian pronunciation, Piazzale Michelangelo in Florence. In English, you can simply say Piazzale Michelangelo. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Pretty sure you did, but let me know. See you soon. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.